It's also very nice and very interesting today on the 21st of July 2023. Rare also because it's Metsäpellontie 26 legacy, and the legacy B here is the same as this, with the Kone Sigma from late 1998. Turning 25, so the share is 2023 and the symbol is 69591. No, 69598. The capacity is 8 persons or season direct ramps, and it's going to be expected next year, 2024. It's here in Metsäpelto, Lahti, Finland. Strange because the stakes as FNG are with all the 1000 VF from the beginning of 1999 there. So this is from the turn of the year 1998, 1999.
Yeah.
But for some reason, yeah. Possibly due to a budget, the stakes as FNG got a regular traction elevators with those 1000 VF instead.
Yeah. Spektiittipaakin-wise pitää maintain about so now describe this.
Yeah. It's maybe because in the beginning both MonoSpaces were very expensive in 1996, and they only became mainstream in 1997. And the Kone Sigma fixtures were introduced in 1998, so it was also very expensive at first. But maybe Novel VR would have been overrun resistant, would have been cheaper.
Yeah.
Because they were mainstream in 1998.
Yeah.
So
that's
it. Thank you.